Hey, Mark Nelson here. What is your big dream? Not my big dream, although I'm going to tell you what it is, but what is your big dream? See where I'm coming from, because I work with a lot of people and they talk about having their dream, finding their dream. See, what you need to do is you have to have a big vision. You have to start with the end game in mind. Right? What do you want at the end of this game? How clear are you on your vision? Right? How clear are you on your end game? See, winning in business is all about staying power. It's not about coming in and just saying, I want to make a lot of money. I want to pay off debts. Do you know what happens when you start? When your vision goes beyond you, when your vision goes beyond getting out of debt, paying off a mortgage, retiring, but when your vision includes helping people, whether it's one person, two people, a group of people, see, that's when you start achieving your vision. See, leaders have vision. And we all want to talk about leaders. When there is vision, when there is no vision, when there is no vision, people perish. Have you ever heard that before? See, dreams happen. They really do. And hopefully some dreams have happened for you. I'm coming to you from my RV. This has been a dream of my wife and I's for a long time. In fact, our daughter was just out here last night for supper. And she said, we always heard you guys were going to buy an RV and travel the world. We always heard it. And Nancy and I kind of looked at each other and went, whoa. We didn't realize we were talking that out loud. But what's so cool, she saw that happening. Now my daughter's had a dream about opening her own business, a chiropractic business, and helping people in their health because she's had a challenge. She's just believably successful. See, what happens when you have dreams, and I had way more dreams happening. One, finding my wife was a dream, but I've had way more dreams happen for me than not. See, here's what happens. If you have a dream, and I want you to think back when you have a dream, something that you wanted to achieve or get in your life, and it happens. See, think back about when that happened. See, the coolest thing is that started a muscle. See, I had a dream of playing NBA basketball. It never happened. I played college basketball. So rare for people out of my little school. Now, I was talented athletically, but I wasn't talented enough to make the NBA. But I achieved part of my dream. And what it did, it planted an idea on me if I kept my vision. If I kept my dream, the end game, what I truly wanted to achieve, it was going to happen. I didn't know when it was going to happen. I was single a long time. I met my wife when I was 18 years old, briefly. Always dreamed about marrying her. When I was 27, we married. When I was 29, we married. Had our first child at 31, our second one at 33. Had an okay life. I mean, nothing outrageous. We weren't filthy rich, but we were living our dream of having a family and doing exactly what we wanted to have. Our kids moved away 16 hours away, and we started talking about we wanted to live within 10 minutes from them. Guess what? There was no way. I was caught in a position that I couldn't leave. It happened. We live within 10 minutes of our kids, watching them grow. And then this RV, living on a lake. See, what happened, my first small dream started happening. I started planting a belief, a muscle, saying that dreams could happen. So I'm going to leave you with this. What is your great dream? What vision do you have? What do you want to accomplish? Who do you want to help? If you want to find a way to accomplish all of your life's dreams and to travel. Go to startadigitalifestyle.com. I'll put the link below also, startadigitalifestyle.com. It's a free training class on how you can achieve all of your dreams. It's a 3-step freedom formula training. You take care. Bye. Go get your dreams.